Hello student, today we are going to discuss another topic of a cyber security, that is approaching a computer forensics investigation. So in last lecture we are already discussed the things which are related to the computer forensics and digital forensics. So digital forensics is the computer science. With the help of that we are going to find out the evidences or proofs against a person, and which satisfied in front of the court that given person or the person is a or attacker or hacker is a criminal or not. So, computer forensic investigation, it is a detailed science. The main phases which are include secure the system, take a copy of hard drive, identification of a recovery files, study of the spatial areas on the drive. So these are the different things which is to be related to the approaching for the computer forensic investigation. So first thing is secure the system. So secure the system means what? From tampering during the operation. Second one is take a copy of a hard drive if applicable and appropriate. Identify and recover the all files. Here the responsibility of the risk analyst or system analyst or cyber inspector to recover all the file with the help of tools which are online available, or the license based software. With the help of that we have to recover the deleted files. Now next one is access view copy or hidden protected temporary files. And here we have to view the hidden file which is to be uh, hid by the attacker or the hacker. Study special areas on the drive, the residue from previously deleted files. Next one is investigate the setting and any data which is from application and program which is to be used on the system. Now next one is consider the system as a whole from the various perspectives including its structure and overall contents. Consider a general factor relating to the user's computer and other activity and habits in the context of the investigation. The next, create detailed and considered report containing an assessment of the data and information which is to be collected. So these are the different approaches which is to be considered or taken, what we can say that which is to be taken into the mind whenever we are uh, approaching to the any cyber security related case or cyber, what we can say, cyber crime related case. So these are the things with the help of that we are going to approach for the computer forensic investigation part. Okay, next we will discuss typical elements in the next session.